In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate first and last names in Google Sheets in just 3 clicks. This quick and easy method is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their data organization in minutes. Whether you're managing a contact list or setting up a spreadsheet for marketing purposes, this technique will save you both time and effort. First, you'll want to ensure that your data is properly organized in a single column, with full names listed. Each row should ideally consist of a first name followed by a last name. Having a consistently formatted list will make the separation process seamless and more effective. With your Google Sheets open, you'll begin by clicking on the column header where your full names are stored. This will highlight the entire column, indicating that you will be working with this range. Next, you'll navigate to the Data menu at the top of the screen. Click on Data, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you will select Split Text to Columns. Once clicked, Google Sheets will automatically start separating the names into 2 columns, the first name in one column and the last name in another. The tool intelligently distinguishes the space between the names as the delimiter. This process works exceptionally well if your list primarily consists of simple first and last names. However, if the names include middle initials or additional components like suffixes, you might need to manually adjust those entries afterward. Finally, take a moment to review your newly separated data. Ensure that the names are correctly divided and make any necessary adjustments for instances where additional components might have caused a split that you did not intend. It's always a good idea to quickly skim through your data to catch any anomalies and address them timely. And there you have it, a swift and efficient way to separate first and last names in Google Sheets, all accomplished in just 3 clicks. This technique is not only straightforward but also incredibly useful in data management tasks, making it an essential skill for anyone regularly using spreadsheets. If this solution was helpful, feel free to leave a like or comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more time-saving tips and tricks.